Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be talking about how to make character AI talk to each other. So let's just try that out. So first of all, you can see I'm onto my dashboard and this is character AI. Now I have created two different characters. Let's just jump onto this one and let's just see if we can introduce it to any other, you can say, like characters. So you can see on the right side we have some options, and if you click on this you can see we can share our character as well. We have voice, and if you want to simply modify your voice, now we cannot see any option of basically introducing it to any other character. So making two different characters talk to each other is possible if you simply take two devices and call from this calling option, and on the other device you call on that, and then they are going to be talking to each other. So that's the only way. You can also open two different tabs and try that out, but as of now there is no as such option of creating a group or anything that is going to be allowing them to talk together. So I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.